Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Supreme Nige back at it with a brand new video. Since we didn't have a drop this week, I wasn't able to do a live cop for you guys, but I did get my first package in from Supreme. I hope it's the big tease cart that I was able to get a big W on. So if you guys want to see that, check out my last video where I was able to have a massive cookout on my first Supreme live cop. I think I've spent like around $800. I think that's pretty insane since I'm just starting out this YouTube. Anyways, let's get right on into the unboxing. Bad boy open. Hopefully I also get the free gift also in this pack. Oh baby, I just saw it actually. All right, so it looks like we got a sticker pack here. We have the Supreme Verify sticker, Stay Positive, and just a regular box logo. Too bad I was not able to get one of those camo stickers, but here is the free gift that they're sending out with orders. Some lucky people are getting these. Hopefully I'll be getting multiple of these. These are actually pretty fire in my opinion. So right off the top tee that we have, the first one is going to be the balloons tee in the Cardinal colorway right there. That one's probably going to be for the resale. Ooh, this one I know for sure is going to be for the body. We have the Supreme Futura logo tee in the light blue. Right there. Can't see the back obviously, but there we go. Next tee I was able to get is the Stay Positive tee in navy. That one's probably going to be for the resale as well. And then I do have another one that is probably going to be for the body. And it is probably, I think it is, no, it's a little darker than this color here, but it is the Supreme Lovers tee in purple. As you can see there. Honestly, I think these gloves are like gardening gloves. They have like grippy stuff on the outside and like rubbery. That's kind of dope. Well, that's it for my first package from week 1. I know that was a pretty fast video. I am still waiting on a couple more packages from Supreme this week, so I will be making 2 more parts to this unboxing, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please drop a like if you did, and please subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Also, let me know if you guys were able to get a W or an L and what you guys were able to cop. So stay tuned for more unboxings like this and more live cops to come in the future. Anyways, guys, peace.